let us talk about the following two new patterns formed in the candlestick charts. Flag pattern, pennant pattern. Flag or pennant patterns occur in the end of a major slump or surge of an asset's price. The vertical line looks like a flagpole, while the consolidation zone looks like a flag. For example, a descending flag pattern was formed in December 2015 on the Euro-US dollar daily chart. An ascending flag pattern was formed in the Euro-US dollar daily chart in April 2017. An ascending pennant pattern was formed in the Euro-US dollar 4-hour chart in June 2017. A descending pennant pattern was formed in the Euro-US dollar 4-hour chart in March 2016. When a flag or pennant takes shape, it is recommended to wait for a breakout before you place an order. The flag pattern as a common consolidation pattern is typically seen right after a substantial and quick move.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.